Hello, my name is Ashley, and I recently attended the IAPAM Symposium, September 6th through the 9th. The reason I decided to attend the seminar is because I wanted to become more knowledgeable in injectables and skincare, so that I could pass that knowledge on to, current patients that I see. I have a personal experience where I lost quite a bit of weight, and it was with the semaglutide, and I was able to use different products and procedures to kind of keep my skin from sagging and looking dehydrated and basically having the what we call Ozempic face. And so I researched different programs, and this one had the best reviews. It seemed to offer the most bang for your buck, and I definitely got that experience when I got there. You go in with expectations that they're just going to teach you to do injectables, what you should do and what you shouldn't do. No, Jeff was great about explaining the business side of it, as well as the bringing in medical professionals to discuss different procedures, different equipment, just everything that you need to have a successful practice. And so every time I would think of a question that I needed to ask, he already answered it before I even had the chance to ask it. And so I really had a lot of aha moments. And one of those in particular was that, there's so many aesthetic practices where they just offer their services are very limited. Botox, Dysport, Juvederm and fillers, but they don't incorporate the skincare that needs to go with it. They don't incorporate the procedures to kind of help tighten and tone. And so it kind of all came together. And so, okay, so this is making sense. If I want myself to be successful and I want my patients to be successful, I need to learn how to teach them, that this is kind of it's an investment basically, and that they have to use all these things together. And I'm not trying to sell them, although I'm, encouraging procedures. I'm not trying to sell them things. I am trying to show them how to enhance the features that they already have. So since I've been back home to Texas, I have started the process. It's actually quite a lot, but step by step, I'm finding my space, my practice area. I have contacted vendors and the pharmaceutical companies, getting in touch with the skincare product representative that I'm going to use to get my product set up. So that's what's changed. I have noticed that there are a lot of people that I kind of see and I'm like, man, I could make that better, or I could do this, or I could do that, and just kind of take the features that they have that are good and make them pop. I almost feel like it would be like you're adding like an accent to a room, like a accent color to the room. The room is already beautiful, but you can make something really stand out by just adding a little touch of something to it to make it better. I have encouraged multiple people to attend this seminar. I have already spoke with my medical director and a couple of other physicians that I work with and told them what a great experience I had and encouraged them to go so that they could learn the same things that I did, and hopefully we together can help the practice grow. Because right now I am a sole proprietor or concierge business, so it's just me right now. So hopefully in the future we can grow and purchase more of this equipment to help our patients. And so that's it. I feel great about the program. I feel confident about going out into my practice and being successful and making sure that my patients are happy with my work. So thank you, Jeff, for that. And thank you for everyone that came to speak and teach and take the time, because I just, you learn something new every day. And that's how it was there. Every day I learn something new. Thank you.